Hey there, laundry wizards in training. Welcome back to Evolving Youth. Today, we're casting spells on stinky socks and turning messy piles into fresh clothes. Before you toss clothes into the machine, let's sort them using our magic color spell. Whites over here, darks over there, and colorful clothes in the middle. Mixing them up could cause a color catastrophe. Yikes! Next, open the washing machine and toss in your sorted clothes. Now for the cleaning potion, aka detergent. Just a small scoop or capful will do. Too much and you'll get a soap volcano. Different clothes like different spells, settings. Use cold water for most clothes. Ask a grown-up to show you where the buttons are and what they do. Once the washer is done, ding, it's time to move your clothes to the dryer. Shake them out like a wizard casting a freshness spell and toss them in. Don't forget a dryer sheet. It makes clothes smell amazing and stops the static zap. Not sure how to wash your favorite hoodie? Ask ChatGPT. Try this. How do I wash a hoodie without shrinking it? Boom, instant laundry advice. And that's it, laundry legends. You've sorted, washed, dried, and leveled up your laundry powers. Until then, stay fresh and keep evolving. Bye!